Steve Reed's coming out now, but he's not talking to anyone. He's not talking to anyone, but he's coming out. You can hear the noise. Let's see if we can have a chat. Let's see if we can have a little chat. Come on here. Let's see if we can have a little chat. He's coming this way. I'm not sure if we're going to get a chance to talk to Steve. What do you reckon, Jay? Are we going to talk to Steve Reed? Yeah. Hello, Steve. Hello, Steve. Hello, Steve. Doesn't look like we're going to get to have a chat. Hello. Hello, guys. Can we have a quick chat, Steve? Can we have a quick chat? No chat. No talk from Steve Reed, unfortunately. No talk from Steve Reed, sadly. Well, there you go. But he is getting to hear from everyone. Everyone's very upset. We stand with our farmers together. I think you should address them, Steve. You should be addressing our farmers properly. Somewhat contemptuous and disdainful. Not really acceptable, Steve. It's a real shame. But the farmers are making their voices heard and with the public. And yeah, they're scuttling off. Unfortunately, Steve Reed doesn't really want to engage with the public about these issues or with the farmers. There we go. Everyone's filming, everyone else filming. Wonderful. Right, we're going up to GB News, one of the only few broadcasters here. Come on in and let's see all our farmers. Well done, everyone. Good stuff. We'll be back to interview some of them.